Right, so this is what we have done, and I don't want you guys to skip any of this process. I don't really want you guys to miss any step-by-step process. So I have done some little design up here I want to add to the project. So just gonna go to the home screen, click on this picture transparent. Then I just have to set the resources to a different image. So I'm just gonna upload that, and I have that here. It will be given to you in your project file, project folder. You can really use it according to anyhow you want it to be. So in this case, I'll just put it here, and yeah, looks like we are good to go. Can now make it very cute, depending on how I want this to be. Really doesn't really matter, right? So I just have to position them anyhow I want it to be. Now I think my design is becoming very, very awesome. I can really keep this very cute and put it here. All you have to do is just make sure you go to the project and build again. And after you are built, if after the build is done, you just have to go to the main form. If it doesn't reflect, then you just have to close and open it up again. But if it does, you are good to go. So now we have to add up a pop-up which will just show here. So what I'm going to do is gonna go to just gonna go to the form here, click on add new form, and this form is gonna be FRM pop up, just like that. And this is going to be an empty form, just going to make it very small. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to set the start position to be center screen. Then I set a border style from sizable to none, just like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add up let's set up the background color to be this color. So I'm just going to set up the background color to be this color. There you go. See, very nice color. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add up something like maybe a panel. Yeah, maybe a panel. Then I add a panel. Let's set the border style of the panel to pick single. Then I just dock this panel in here, at least just to give the feel of it, the feel of it. Then I'll just have to add up a drag, control, just drag and drop it here. Let's set a target to the panel. Yep. Okay, so let's go to the home. Just want to pick up some text from here and some image from here. Just gonna copy, come here, gonna paste it right there. So this is gonna be a question mark, or something like, are you really sure you want to do this? Then this is gonna be a text, say, are you sure? Something like this. And let's set a font size to maybe 15 or maybe 18. It's kind of cool. Yeah, let's put it this way, like this. And I would like to use just some button here. So I'm just gonna go to the home, just copy this button, and I just want to add it here, something like 2 of them. Yeah, one here. And this is gonna be a text of there's gonna be yes. And I'm just gonna set the font size of this to maybe 12. Let's make it maybe 15. No. I think 12. 13 is even good. Yeah. So yeah, we can decide to choose this, and let's say this is gonna be no. So we just have to just make sure we keep it in the center. So just go down, then we say no. Okay, so this guy is actually gonna be info. Yeah, and I can decide to use any of these info, but I would like to use a colorful info, something unique, something special, at least just to get a flexibility of it. Yeah, at least just to get the flexibility of it. So this guy is good. So I'm just going to use this question mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to the resources, drag and drop it here. You will already get it, so you don't have to even worry yourself. Just go to the asset folder, then you can choose from there. So I'm just going to use this question mark right guy here. That's perfect. Just put it right here. Excellent. And when I just take a good look at the main form, let's see the color combination. I think I can use well, let's just use this color. So yeah, I'm just gonna say when I click on no, nothing really happens. I'm just gonna say mid or hide. It's just gonna hide by itself. But when you click on this, you're just gonna say application dot exit. It's just gonna exit itself. So that is for the pop-up. Now let's go to the home dialog on this guy here. Let's just add some actions. So just gonna say frm pop-up dot show dialog, just like this. Yep. So let's just do a hot restart, a hot reload for the home. Yeah, let's do a hot reload for this, and let's just really start it up. Okay, so there you go. There we have it. So we can now decide to choose no, or we can then decide to choose yes, and it's really gonna work perfectly fine as you wanted it to be. You can decide to customize it anyhow you wanted it to be, and it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be marvelous. It's going to be mind-blowing. It really depends on what you want to do, and yeah, it really depends on what you want to do. So that is it for the pop-up. I don't want this video to be very 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 long, so we are done with the pop-up design. So on our next design, we're just going to see how we can add up this all server screen, and then we move on, right guys? Okay, so until then, have a nice day, and we shall meet on our next lesson. Thank you and bye bye.